Hi, so today we'll be doing religion given by Emile Durkheim. So let's get started. Now, what is religion? Basically, religion is a unified system of beliefs and practices relative to sacred things, that is, to say things apart and forbidden. Now, basically what religion is a unified system of beliefs and practices. Second point, religion is relative to sacred things. Third point, religion is belief and practices which unite into single moral community. Fourth point is religion is non-material social fact. Now there are four types of social facts: normal, pathological, material and non-material. So religion comes under the category of non-material social fact because it adheres to the characteristics of social facts, which is as follows: external, cohesive, generalized and independent of an individual. Moving on, the fifth point is religion is dynamogenic quality, which means dominate and elevate in an individual. Okay, now society is divided into two parts: sacred and profane. Sacred means deals with supernatural powers or beings, and profane is the rest of the society. Both these, sacred and profane, are mutually exclusive, which means that an individual can be a member of only one group at a time. Moving on, according to Durkheim, cause of religion is social. It is not psychological and intellectual explanation to origin of religion. So Durkheim believes that religion is product of society, and basically Durkheim was of the opinion that everything is product of the society, so as is the case with religion. Moving on, what was the origin of religion according to Durkheim? Okay, now in primitive society, people coming together, they started feeling happy. वो लोग एक साथ बैठते थे, मजे करते थे, they used to enjoy their company. So they started feeling happy. फिर वो लोग घर गए. They want that happiness to feel, like they want happiness feeling again. वो उस happiness को फिर से feel करना चाहते हैं. तो उसके लिए उन्होंने क्या करा? They developed a totem. Now what basically a totem is? Totem is material representation of non-material forces. Forces मतलब कोई भी non-material forces, एक हमने मटेरियल ऑब्जेक्ट लिया, उसको एक ऐसा सिंबल बनाया कि मुझे इसको देख के खुशी हो रही है, या एक ऐसा सिंबल, फॉर एग्जांपल दिस मार्कर, मुझे इस मार्कर को देख के मेरे को मोटिवेशन आ रहा है कि ओके आई नीड टू राइट दी कॉन्सेप्ट्स ऑफ थ्योरी ऑफ सोशियोलॉजी एंड आई वांट टू एक्सप्लेन इट. तो ये मेरा एक टोटम हो गया. इसके अलावा उन्होंने क्या किया? उन्होंने डेवलप टोटम, मटेरियल रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ नॉन मटेरियल फोर्सेज, दिस इज व्हाट टोटम इज. They remembered happiness when they see the totem. Totem act as a source of happiness. Then they started worshipping their totem. अगर मैं इसकी पूजा करने लगूं, तो the same thing. They started worshipping the totem as a symbol. The material totem worship for non-material happiness. This material totem, people started worshipping it for the non-material happiness, non-material forces. Then totem became the symbol of collectivism, groupism. Then this is how religion developed. Now in modern society, this complex society, there is individualism. Collectivism, groupism तो है नहीं, यहाँ पे है individualism. Individualism has increased a lot. So religion bring people together. Religion से लोग साथ में आते हैं, एक साथ बैठ के पूजा करते हैं, एक साथ बैठ के भजन कीर्तन करते हैं. So religion bring people together. Science also bring people together. तो साइंस जब लोगों के साथ लाया है, तो अकॉर्डिंग टू Durkheim, साइंस इज अ मॉडर्न religion. So this is it for religion given by Emile Durkheim. Thank you.